Usually kasi when we do therapy, it's a long process, no? May maraming kids na very excitable, merong iba na very takot sila. Yung iba madaling ma-overload kasi 'di ba parang they jump around in the water so much, they splash and splash. And that feeds into the overload, 'di ba? So instead of achieving the calmness that you need for him to be functional for the rest of the day, parang sumobra ka na. No? So ang goal or ang primary job ng therapist at that point in time is to establish a routine with the child. Let's say with Adrian, no? Kailangan ma-establish niya yung routine para maging kalmado. So, merong mga certain exercises na pwedeng gawin na initially i-impose muna ng therapist kasi hindi alam ng bata na nakakakalma yan eh. Diba? Ang alam lang nila is tumalon ng tumalon ng tumalon. Mag-splash ng mag-splash. At sino bang hindi masaya, diba, pag gano'n? Diba? That's what we also do to our babies, diba? We splash for them. Because that gets them excited. So the therapist will now have to establish a routine until that child or that person calms down. And then they look forward to that.